we play games, different games. So there are games like Drawsaurus. There are Bollywood quizzes that we do. So we try to keep it happening every Friday. So at least 1 hour in a week is something that we forget about our work and we cherish time spent with each other.
Welcome to this series called as Heroes of Socrates. My name is Manoj Manjari and I will be the host, facilitator and will participate in conversation with my friend Kashif over here. Kashif is the leadership team member today, representing our IDC wing. So Kashif, welcome to this episode of Heroes of Socrates and thanks for taking out time. Would like to hear a little about you and your life at Socrates and how has it been for last couple of months with this pandemic. Over to you.
Thank you so much, Manoj. So it has been great actually because I think I joined Socrates when pandemic was just starting. There were couple we were a couple of months into pandemic, and after that I started working with Socrates. So I have never been to our office. I have been
Oh,
working from home
okay.
since I joined Socrates. It's been more than a year. It's about 1.5 years in Socrates, but I almost enjoyed every bit of it over here. The opportunities are ample, and we also get to kind of interact with our other team members quite frequently. I've been in touch with Vivek, with Deepak, and it's been great so far. I mean, our team has been supportive. Our senior leadership is absolutely fantastic. So yeah, I have enjoyed almost every moment I have been with Socrates.
Fantastic. Very nice, very nice. So, Kashif, now I want to channelize a little more towards understanding from you that what has been your predominant modus operandi for last 18, 20 months dealing with the work, the surge in work, and of course, dealing with the challenges that are there because these inputs of yours are going to be very important for the new folks and the folks who are going to come on board.
Sure, Manoj. So we had never dealt with any such thing like what we are dealing in right now, the pandemic, the COVID, right? So it was quite challenging at the beginning because the motivation is not there. Because usually when you are in office, you have a different mindset, and when you are working from home, everything changes. You actually wake up in the morning, you don't have that motivation to run towards something, right? You just open your laptop and start working. So it can be quite monotonous, and to kind of get everyone to that motivation level in the team can be challenging. So that is where it gets quite important that as a team manager or as a team lead, that you talk to your team members regularly. Usually I have a one-on-one every day with my teams. I have set up a weekly call as well, which I call Fun Friday. So we play games and all, so that at least my team members, they feel that they belong somewhere, because most of my team, they joined in pandemic. They haven't been to office as well, so it's
Yes.
quite a new team. So I would expect them to have kind of demotivation at peak at sometimes. So to bring all that to work might not be a good idea. So as a team lead, it is your responsibility, or as a team manager, it's your responsibility to make sure that you are not putting extra burden on your team members. You are talking to them regularly, even just about the normal things, because mental health plays a crucial role during this time when you are spending most of your time indoors. And if you don't understand your team members, then who is going to, right?
Very true, very true. I'm interested more to hear a little about this Fun Friday because I'm sure these are the initiatives which are the life of Socrates.
Okay, so we didn't realize when we joined that we had people with multi-talented people in our team, right? So some of them sing, some of them have a different hobby. So we try to portray that in our Fun Friday. Apart from that, so it doesn't get monotonous. So what we do is we play games, different games. So there are games like Drawsaurus. There are Bollywood quizzes that we do. So we try
Okay.
to it happening every Friday. So at least 1 hour in a week is something that we forget about our work and we cherish time spent with each other.
Fantastic. I think Kashif, that was a very, very visionary thing which you have initiated. I think you really require such stress busters and opportunity to demonstrate talent amongst ourselves is like the icing on the cake. So, what I want to understand is during this journey, what amount of support did you get from your managers, management, your clients to help you remain sane and productive?
I think that's quite a good question because I know when I came to Socrates or IDC, I had no idea what how the team structure is going to look, who am I going to report to, who are reporting to me, and all that. So initially, I would actually like to thank Deepak Mankani. He has been gem of a person and a go-to person, I would say, for anything and everything. I used to reach out to him initially, and he would, without caring about anything or his schedule, he would jump on a call with me, take care of almost everything during my initial onboarding phase. And even now, when I have anything confusing to deal with, I always reach out to Deepak or Vivek. Vivek has been an amazing boss. I would say that he has been the boss I always wanted to have. Yeah, you always kind of whenever you reach out to Vivek, he responds. Doesn't matter if he is online or offline, if he is out of office or on holiday, he will always respond to your email and tell you that, hey Kashif, I would take care of this. So that is something that I always cherish from our IDC leadership. Apart from that, my in global leadership, Molly, who heads the IDC, who heads the offshore operations from US. She has been absolutely fantastic in helping or streamlining the teams that we started or we are growing, still growing. Emily, who was my immediate POC when I started, she helped me out bringing this team up to the mark, and we have been growing. We started from a small team. Right now, our growth has been tremendous, and we're still hiring. So yeah, the leadership that I saw has been tremendous.
Great. Why don't you share a little about the work that you and your team manage, and what when you say that we are going to grow. So, what's that you do which will be inviting and interesting to the people?
Initially, we just started with project. That was why I was hired. I was heading the project from India team, and to be precise, we were talking to different partners that deals with, and we were setting up their omni-channel campaigns, right? We were trying to build their strategies to kind of drive leads and all, drive the traffic to their websites. So this was a new thing. I was closely working with team at that time, and they were absolutely fantastic in streamlining this. But as we started growing, I also started taking other responsibilities, like heading the SEM team for DWA. So I think at that time there were just 2 to 3 people as a part of DWA SEM team. Right now we have about 7 people, and by end of this year, I think we would have 11 to 12 people at the total of the team as a whole. And I think the growth that I was saying is this. We started with just 2 people in SEM, and now we have 12 people by end of this year. And even in we were just 3 people. One was from social, one was for programmatic, I was from omnichannel. Now we have ad ops people joining in. We are having conversation including more SEM and social folks in the team. So we are also onboarding other projects. So that has been strength of our team, that whatever was given to us, whatever assignment was given to us, we have done it in a way that has fostered, you can say, the trust between onshore and offshore teams.
Great. I think Kashif, that was very interesting, and I wish more growth. A parting note I want from you, Kashif, for our existing folks, of course, across Socrati, but more towards those who are interested to get into this digital environment or Socrati. For those folks, what will be your 1 or 2 things which they should be focused on? That's what I like to hear from you, Kashif.
So I would always say that find your motivation. No one is going to bring it to you. You have to find those things that motivate you within what you are currently doing. If you love your job, even if you don't love your job, find something that you love about your job, right?
Right.
So there's something that always motivates me, even if I have to stretch beyond my work hours. I don't mind, because I would always focus on those things that I'm going to accomplish 6 months down the line. I always have my short term and long term goals, so I always work towards them. So I would say that find your motivation and set your goals.
Great. Thanks a lot, Kashif. So, friends, thanks for watching our series Heroes of Sokrati with our leader Kashif. And stay tuned for more such episodes where we'll keep sharing inputs from our leadership team who are the pillars of it. Thanks and have a good day.